So yesterday we discussed something about some bootstrap basics. Okay, let's see. So today we'll continue from that part. So here we are just only cover the basics for HTML. HTML is okay, fine. CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap jQuery. Only basics we are covered. But so Angular is a main thing. So that is we are cover like full length course we will cover for Angular.NET Core. So except this UI, we are cover only basics. Okay, yesterday we are going to discussing about. So here Bootstrap is nothing but already we added. Let me open that Bootstrap web application. Yesterday we created, right? So already we added this reference site references. Okay. Anyway, today I will upload all the videos. So this is a JS Bootstrap. Also JS bundle is there, and also CSS bundle is there. Okay. Now, so it is a what is the purpose of navbar? Purpose of navbar is like yeah, we are creating menus here. So yes, so here we are creating menus. So in that case, what we will do? So we can watch the yesterday class. Let's see. 1 second. Mm. So if you watch the yesterday class, you can understand this how to add this bootstrap and how to add these JS files and everything will be. You can add that. Let's continue from the yesterday example. Let's see. So navbar. So now here navbar is used for specially to creating menu kind of thing. So already we done some sample kind of. Uh, so here you need to understand we are no need to write any code for designing code here. Just you need to understand uh, how class will be design look like. So we need to remember the names of each bootstrap. So let's see. Y- I open that sample bootstrap that CSS file. You can watch here. Hmm. For example, here I opened. So this navbar expand is there, na? So I select this. Yesterday I already shown of the few of the things. So we see here. So this is a .NET expand. So some already SM is there. Okay, here SM, number of things are there. Okay, anyway, this will be there somewhere. Here you can identify anywhere. So here LG is there, SM is there. SM is nothing but small. LG is nothing but large. Okay. So all are these are just a predefined. Just you need to remember these names. You know, no need to remember all the things. You need to remember the few things is fine. So here I see I used the expand LG. So okay, complete name I need to search. Copy and paste and search here. Here you can identify the things. See now over LG that related code logic is there. Okay, and that related code you can see. So how the so these are all predefined things. Just you need to remember the few things. Today I will share those document also. Which one is purpose of which one the related things I will share today document. So just you need to remember the few names, how the purpose of each one, how navbar, how text, all those things. Let's see. Now continue the example. So yesterday I created one nav, and inside I created one div, and inside I created one anchor tag. Let's see. Now I created one button here. So here button. So for this button also, I use some predefined bootstrap class. So that is name it as navbar, navbar. Navbar toggle. Navbar toggler. Next. I'll next. Here it is a type is equal to, it's a type is equal to button. Next, data hyphen database toggle. Collapse database. Okay, so just 1 second. This is a name is we call as data hyphen bs hyphen target is equal to hash hash nav bar. Inside this button, yeah, I created something like span. For the span, I use, so again, now bar, toggler, and icon. Now bar toggler icon. Mm, Yeah, let's see. And run this one. How it will be looking like? We need to check. Like same, fine. Right click on this and see any. Right click on this. Inspect element. There is one error. Is there? Five icon. Okay, five icon is not found. Maybe it's due to because of our logic. Anchor tag div open close. Now open class. Fine. Okay, let's see. Um, Div we are done, right? So this is one div. Inside div we completed this one, but still we have some more logic is pending. Inside this one, I will create one more div. One more div. Okay, here in this one, for this div again I class. I use something like uh, collapse, collapse, nav bar plus nav bar, collapse, and here id is equal to id is equal to. So here I will try nav bar. Oh, same. So here, see database target. Here we are giving some ID hash something. So that ID is for this is the ID. for this div. So here we are targeting this is the div. Okay, we are targeting this is the div. Okay, 1 second. This is so your data the BS target we are giving some ID na. So the ID is this is the div. Okay, this is the div. Okay, then what we will write in what we write inside inside I create some list kind of thing we will class is equal to nav bar nav bar nav nav bar nav ms is equal to r2 ms is equal to r2 li. You remember ordered list or not ordered list when we are discussing HTML, right? So you know about these things. So for this each list, I applied some predefined Bootstrap class. I applied predefined Bootstrap class design. So copy this, paste it. Next one, paste it. Now, now link active home. Okay. So it's a hyperlink. I added in the list. I hyperlink. Okay. There is nothing. We are not navigating to anything right now. But I applied hyperlink also. One text is there. So just save it and run this again. Go here. Yeah. Go in the top. See. You can identify in the top. If you observe here top, I created home hyperlink. So, okay. There is nothing. Navigation is there because we are. I'm not. I give just a hash navigation link. Just I give the hash right. This one like. Okay, let's same way try to do for others. Try to do for others. Okay, nav link. Mm, okay, first one is active. Second one is not required. Just they are displaying in the list. Next, above above contact above contact. Just run this one. Uh, if you observe here, see about contact us is displayed. Okay. Anyway, if it is minimized, if you observe, right, it is displaying like this. See, minimizing automatically. So it's an advantage of Bootstrap. So responsive UI is the best one. Bootstrap is already predefined things are there for each one. Okay. If you right click and see the code, if you want, now go to Bootstrap example elements. Here is a click on elements. Uh, scroll down. See, these are all Bootstrap related things. Uh, because we added the link, Bootstrap link, that all things are loaded here in the UI. Network sources, HTML source. Here it is in, you can see the logic here. Yeah, generally there is no issues. Elements, layout. Yes. Anyway, just I want to show these things highlighted. Yeah, previously we done that kind of thing. Okay, if you observe here, the first one is looking highlighted. Remaining is not. When we are going mouse, then only it will showing something special. Maybe because here I showed like active, right? If you see the code, uh, now link is active means that's why it is showing in the highlighted mode. Okay, and also it is like a link related design is applied. Link related design applied active. It displays highlighted. Okay. Next one, that item, nav item inside that. So this is for link related design applied. This is for that list. List is related that is applied. Nav item. When I is minimizing, it is displayed like a list. If you have already seen. When I is maximizing, yeah, those are displayed like links. Okay. So today I will upload the drive. Uh, Upload the drive. Some of the predefined these names and purpose of those names you can easily understand. Then if you see the document only, then you can understand few of the things here, what happening here. Okay, right now these are like navbar menus. Menu purpose we are using these navbars. Right click, paste it. Next one is cards. Next topic we are going with cards. That is a 9 one. Nine like this. Nine. The next topic we are using to cards. We are using cards. Remove all these things. Then here just div. I created one div here. Next, after that, I created one image. One image. That image is sr3 is equal to any one image is required for this. Previously example also I done one image. Okay, let me search here in the for one image purpose. Hmm. computer images. Select any one image. So right click, open image in the new tab, right? So here, copy this. Yeah, copy the image. Copy the image. Go to that here site. Paste here. Okay. If you want download, and you can add here. From here also you can add those reference. That is also one we can do. Okay. Next. Next. Okay, without Bootstrap, I'm showing all those things. I'm not applied any Bootstrap here. Inside, I will create one more div. Okay. Um, Next, after that, in this div, what I will do, I create one h5. H5 is a heading. So here I will use card title. Card title. Next, I will use something paragraph and next, I will use something like one anchor tag inside. Okay, sorry. Right now I'm not using any Bootstrap, right? Without Bootstrap, how it will be, I will show you. This is Bootstrap card with image, text, and button. This is okay. Right now, empty. There is no Bootstrap right now. Bootstrap card with image, and here I will show you text and button. Text and button. That is one option here. Let's run this. How it will be looking. Image. Image is not properly closed, I guess. Images. Okay, already image is there. Again, it is image SRC. Whatever we copied already coming with this. SRC open. Okay, already it is coming like this, something like this. Hmm. Now let's run again. Yeah, image is done. And at bottom, if you apply it, see, and link is we read more. If you click on read more, it will come here. The image seems like very big image, and also it is having some copyrighted something kind of thing. Uh, right click and open this image. Open image in the new tab. Okay, it is directly downloading. Okay, it is directly downloading. Even downloading also fine. Let's see. Okay, right click. Add, Okay, add new folder. I will give this name as images. So right click, add existing item. Here, yeah, add something like computer.jpg. .jpg. Ah, that's fine. This is fine. It's very lengthy. Like now it is a coming fine. Save it and run it again. Now we'll apply the bootstrap for this image this one is very big image. Okay, and it's a dominating completely. Anyway, let's see. Now I'm applying bootstrap for this. So in the first div, yeah, as usual, we are using classes, right? Class is card. Next one after that, style. Style is equal to. So here I will use width. Width is equal to uh, 18 rem call. Yeah, applied width, some width. Next one after that, in the image I given. In the image also I used one class. One class is there. So that class is a card. So card in the card image top. So the image will be displayed in the top. Next one here alt alternative text. If you see HTML classes, you remember this one. Alternative, if image is not available, alternate text will be displayed. Anyway, I'm not displaying any alternate, just dot dot dot. Okay, next one after that, class. Class is like a so it is a card image top, right? Inside, so this is a card body it is. Okay, so this is complete card. This is the top, and this is a card body. Next after that, inside H5. What kind of thing I will apply? I will apply like this class card card title. Card title. So this is a card title, and this paragraph I'm applied one more class is like that is a card text. So this is a text kind of thing, right? So card text. Okay, next one after that, this one. For this one I use again one more class. Again you can use here, no issue. Class, if you use before or after, anything is fine. btn 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 is equal to Hmm. Just run it. How it will be looking. See, it's same like card. Doesn't see na? So card image top I am applied. Complete card div tag it. Top and card type, card title. Card title is a bootstrap. See, this is one more. Read more. If you and so that is a see I applied btn primary. Anchor tag I applied btn primary. It is a display like a button. If you observe that one. Anchor tag is displayed like a button. Hyperlink generally it is right. Okay, so you see card text it displays some kind of this one. Card title it display like a card title. Okay, if you observe here, so this is the thing. It's a card kind of. You can also see these kind of cards. If you product information, if you display right in the website, if you select any laptop or current thing, you can instead of card title you can use like computer name and computer related description you can use. Read more information will be displayed. Right now I'm not you give any read more. This is not like our real-time exam, right? Okay, so copy this. This is card. I think comparing to yesterday, you can able to understand this one. Next topic. alert is equal to success. Yeah, it's a displayed success related kind of design. Okay, alert message. Okay, display some text for this too. Success class is completed. Class is completed. Next one here, copy that. Danger. So error, something went wrong. Here text is error. Something is went wrong. Something went wrong. Okay, next I will display one more kind of thing. So these are like alert kind of thing. Mm, H1, H1 or anything it's fine. H1, H3 or anything you can take. So here I will use messages. Messages inside I will apply the span. Here class is like badge, busy, danger. Inside span I will return something like 5 message. Okay. So inside span I will return 5 messages, 5 badge is busy danger. Okay. Let's see how these three things will be displayed in the runtime. See message 5. You remember when you are checking your mails and displayed something like that. So the span I applied the class is badge BG danger. Okay. And if you observe the top one, above to one, see success message pop-up. So these are like pop-ups will be displayed. Error, something went wrong. Completed successfully. See alert success, alert danger. So if it is alert, we should give that alert. If it is a BTN, you need to give BTN. What type of thing you need to apply? That is we are giving in the beginning, and after that we are using subcategory danger or success, such kind of thing. Mm. Mm. So pop-up box. No, we are going to implement already. See mentioned a pop-up box model. So that is we are going to implement the pop-up box. Okay. So after click on the box, some pop-up box will be coming. That kind of thing we are in. So initially I will create one button for that. Button type is equal to. So that is a button. Okay. Type is equal to button. Next, next the text. Text is text is displayed something like open model. The name is model only. What like pop-up, whatever we are going to open, the topic name or concept name the thing we are the pop-up is called we are called model. Okay. Next, after that, here I applied some design right for this one. So btn is equal to btn primary. Btn primary is nothing but a blue color button it is displayed. So it's a type of button, that's a BTN. Previously alert, I use alert on the subcategory, right? Okay. Next, after that, after click on this one, after click on this one, uh, some model pop-up is open, right? Okay, let's see. First of all, I will do that one. Hmm. First of all, I will do that one. So here I will write logic for next class. Class is like, so we are using model kind of things, right? So it's a type model fade. So sorry, fade. Okay, Ian, this div I give some ID. That my ID is called example model. Next here we called as tab index minus one. Tab index minus one. Inside I created one more subtag. Okay. Mm, so here class is again model 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 dialog. Inside model dialog model content. Mm. In the dialog box, what are the content? One more div. Okay. Main div, subdiv inside. One second. Mm. We are open model something dialog. Inside dialog, what are the content that will be we are implemented here? What are the content that will be implemented inside model content? Okay. So in that content, again one more div. So here class is equal to model header, model header. Class is equal to model header h5. Model header. In that header, what is the h5 tag I given? H5 model title. Model title. Okay. Model title. Yeah. The class is called model title. Okay. Dialog box. Inside content. We have a header part. Okay. Model header. Model body. Two parts are there. In the header part, I displayed one text like H5. H5 model title. And also here I will button. I use the button inside. Type is equal to button. Yeah, class is equal to you need to apply something btn, right? Btn you can apply what type of button it is. Btn close means close button it is. Btn close. Okay, so here that is called data bs dismiss. database dismiss model. Database that is called display model. Let's see model. Anyway, so here we created one main button, right? Okay, that main button, uh, database toggle toggle. Yeah, what type of it is? I will display. It is something like a model. Okay. Next, database database and the target. Here I will define the target. Again, target is equal to. So here I will give the hash. So whatever the ID is there, that ID I will define here. So that meaning once you click on this, it will become here. Same thing. This is we tried. I think one of the previous example. Lot is okay. We tried somewhere. Yesterday or today we tried this kind of thing, database. This is okay. This is okay. Next one, form control, primary, submit. Now bars. Yeah, here I tried. Database toggle. It's a type of database toggle. So collapse. Here I define. And target navbar is given navbar, target navbar. And this is the disk divide. Give me 1 second. So here we are doing we are targeted this. When it is minimized, it display like a list. You already seen, right? So this is in the top. We already tried in our previous example. This is complete div. Inside div, we are displayed like a list. If it is minimized, display like a list. Maximize, it display like a link. That is a predefined thing. It is there. Okay, already we tried this. BS toggle. It is a collapse. Same way, we are using here BS toggle model. Target is pop-up. Whatever the pop-up we want, that ID, the div tag we are given to here. Let's see. Here also see. So DS toggle, it's a model. Target is this one. When you click on that one, automatically this one will be coming as a model. Model is nothing but pop-up. Click on this. See, this pop-up is coming. Only first part is completed. Title. Okay. Close it. See, button. Close button is there. So that is this is only with trade. Yeah. So BTN close. Predefined thing. This is also predefined. Isn't close. So I'm not giving any text here. Just it's like close. And title close is comes under this header part. Okay. Next one. So here beat. So anything you want to move to one place to another place, we are using this database toggle. The type of output that we defined here. Previously we give something collab. This is like a model. Model is something like pop-up kind of thing. So what in that pop-up we are giving target ID, div tag. Okay. So this is automatically open. That remaining we will see one by one. Next one. This is a model pop-up. Hmm. This is a model body. It's header part at this. Hmm. Next. So after that, inside this content, header body is there. We're done. Next. At last, one more div tag. That is a footer kind of thing. So your class is equal to model model footer model footer. It is coming under footer. Next, button type is equal to something like it's a button, and class is equal to dismiss. Database dot dismiss is equal to uh, model is equal to model. So here I will give you something like close BTN secondary BTN secondary. Yeah. Next one after that, copy this one BTN primary is like blue color. Always primary is in the bootstrap, it is a blue color. And here this is a not required. So displayed like something like save. Let's see how it is looking like. Let's see how it is looking like. You got it, understand this pop-up concept. If you click on this one, we are giving PTN toggle, something database toggle is model targeted this div. This div will comes under pop-up. Click on this. See model title, model body, header, body, footer. We have two options. One is close. Second one is if you are not having this, you are not display text, it will display like into mark. See, save it. Primary. Uh, See, save is close automatically working. If you observe here, this is already done in the Bootstrap JS. So very less code. If you are using JavaScript, CSS, we need to write lines of code. Lot of code we need to write. This for this pop-up. If you come that one, that kind of design. Yeah. So I will give the document. Just you need to remember the names, purpose. Uh, then it will be fine. It will be fine then. Just to drag and drop these things. One option I told. Another option is like using NuGet packages. Right click and select NuGet package. Yesterday I told. You can install Bootstrap. Just drag and drop that into the designing part. This is another option. So download Bootstrap here, and after downloading, you can add the reference into your CSS at the top link. Okay. So, but right now I use the directly website. So that is the once downloaded, we can use offline Bootstrap. If it is downloaded from NuGet package, while downloading, internet is required. But once it is downloaded into your computer or your through Visual Studio, not required internet. But what I done here, always it is required internet. It's a directly I give the site URL, right? Bootstrap.min.js, the bundle, bootstrap bundle.min.js. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are done. Good. So that is model. Model is nothing but pop-up. So I already pasted or what? Cards, alerts. Okay, this is not yet pasted. Why why it is not at a closing? Bootstrap recent line. We are done. Next one. Oh, that is a model. Next. Okay. So here utility is spacing flexbox colors. Copy this. Paste it. Okay, it's a 12 only. Next. 10 is okay, fine. This is 11. Okay, this automatically 12 is coming. So the next one. So in the Bootstrap, utilities. Utilities. So utility is nothing but spacing, flexbox, flexbox, colors, etc. Let's see. Last topic it is in the Bootstrap, but I will show you one more final example with all together. So here div flex, div flex, justify, div flex justify the content, content between, sorry, p dash 3 using big L light, big light. Flexbox. Inside I will using subdivs. Subdivs we are using. So here class D P2 BG primary. Background is a blue color. Text is white. Text is a white. Okay. Background is like that. So copy. Your background is success. Next one here. Background is something like danger. Save it. Already we tried this one. Okay. Anyway, I'm not written anything kind of thing. Box one. Next one. This is we call as a box two. This is a we called as a box three. So run it. See, you are coming. This one. See, three different colors. Primary, success, danger. Three things. Okay. Here, 1 second. Let's see. Uh, I will write down each point here in the below. So here, deflex, 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 flex box. Okay, it is used to display like flex box. Like box is there, no? Flex box. So here, okay, you can also Google it like flex box, flex box. So boxing kind of thing. So it is button is displayed like some square box. No? So these are boxes. See these boxes. So button is displayed like something like box. If you observe box one, box two, so that is a like that kind of boxes display. We are using this kind of thing. Okay, next one. So next one we are using that justify justify the content. Justify the between content between. This is used for spacing. Space between the items. Okay, and the space between the items we are using what? How much space? We are using like this like three p3. P3 is like a padding. P3 P2 these are like a padding. So how much padding we required? That is we are applied for that padding this one. So here BG or something whatever it is you define here that is related to background color. We are already see primary is blue color background. Success BG success like green color background will apply. BG danger red color background will be applied. So here background color. Okay. Anyway, you can understand this text white means white text will be applied to this one. Instead of this one, we'll make this one as a. I will apply the black color. Okay. So now I want to create one sample project on Bootstrap. Complete Bootstrap 5 landing page. Bootstrap 5 landing page. Okay. Let's let's see. Now we implement all together. Let's see. Yeah, I use the nav bar initially. So all together, I will create one landing page here. So let's see. Just after practicing, you will got some basic idea. After read the document. Any doubt, you can go and read the document. Document, including document also. In this material, I will try to include all these things in the before class now bar class now bar is like something like expand like LG now bar dark BG BG dark. Next one more BG. Yeah, BG dark is fine. Next, this is now inside now. One div is there. One div. So here I will apply a class as so container. If you want any doubt, you can general check container. Container it bootstrap and sets like that. If you like this, we can divide the categories. Navbar is used for dividing that menu kind of thing, right? Divisions we can up menus we can display like this. See, even if you observe Gmail, left side is inbox, sentiment is there. Medium is all inbox, whatever you displayed in the bottom. Okay. For example, with Gmail example, with Gmail example. See if you observe here. See, it's a email kind of thing. Left side is a one nav bars, right side. Yeah, container. This is completely one container. Like this. See. So here div nav bar container, nav bar container class is equal to again nav bar is display like brand and href is equal to right now I'm not navigating anything. I'm using hash. So here my my brand and button button data database database toggle collapse. Then target. So this is already tried. BS target. So here we need to give ID. So what ID? Which one you want to target? That is we are giving. Inside I will return span. Any button or any in the inside heading you want to apply specifically you want to write something text design for that we are using span this one. We are using span. Anyway, class is equal to navbar toggle icon. Hmm. Icon is we are displaying for that. So here, but a target here I need to give the target for that. So inside here, why I am typing already it is there, no? Just to copy and paste completely. Okay, no, or else we can type. Then you have also some idea for the second time. Div. So here I applied class, collapse, collapse, navbar, collapse navbar is equal to collapse, collapse. In next ID is equal to navbar nav. UL class is equal to. So here I will give something like navbar, nav, navbar nav, ms, art. And inside anchor tag. If it is minimized, how it is working? If it is minimized, display like a list. If it is maximized, yeah, display like it is coming like this. Oh, sorry. Inside inside another list, we need to give display like a list, right? So this is inside this one, li. Here we need to apply this anchor tag kind of thing. Okay. Now in this li, nav item class is equal to nav item class is equal to link is active. So this will be displayed in the active and href. So here I will use href is equal to something like hash. Here I'm using home. Okay. So copy paste here. One, two, three. So first one is active, remaining is not required active. Uh, this one, second one is not required to active, and first one only it will display like active. Copy, save it, and here what I will do. This one I will give the name like features. This one I will give the name like pricing. This one I will give the name like contact. Contact. Okay. So here features. I will give the ID navigation hash features. So here I will give the something like pricing, and this one I will give something like contact. This one I will give something like contact. Next, so nav is completed like this. Okay, run it first of all, see. Then let's continue the other part of this one, landing page. See, my brand is displayed. Okay, we are not navigating to. See at the top, you can observe here. Features, pricing. Generally, there is no feature contact block is not there. If it is minimized, see automatically it display like this. It's already predefined thing. We are not. I'm not applied anything. So here, hero section that is navbar. Now here some. So here I created section. Next, so div tag. Next inside h1 tag. Next after that one paragraph tag, and after that one anchor tag. Yeah, this is what. Now inside this section I applied like bootstrap class for this. So bg light, background color is light, and text is yeah, text is dark. Text is dark. Next one, and the text also should be center. Okay, and padding, each one having padding is 5. Yeah, the space between like each one is a 5. So that is what I applied. After seeing these many examples, I think you have to understand this one. Background color it is. This is the text one. Text color. Text alignment center, left, right. That one. Distance between each one. Each like control. Okay, got it? Huh? After seeing yesterday, maybe it will be confusing. But if you seen since yesterday, right? It will be little bit understanding, guys. So here I created this one is a container. Okay, container is like a Gmail, Facebook, Instagram. These are all examples for containers only. Menus we display left side or top. Middle in the you display the content, videos, photos, something or mail list like that. So that is purpose. It is container. Even also here I created one container, and so on that container, so I displayed all this inside top in the top. Okay, this is another container. Inside that container, what you will do, will yeah, welcome to. Oh, here I do. Welcome to. So here I displayed Wiser Technologies. Wiser Technologies. Okay. So here class is equal to next. Here paragraph class. So I applied display 4 is like a header tag. Display 1, display 2, display 3 is similar like H1, H2, H3. Remember, right? H1 is having higher size, H2 is having small size. So here display 1 is a higher size, display 2 is a like medium size, like heading tags, how we are, right? Same thing, these are also like this. So for this H1, default nature is there, but we are applied something like display 4. So fourth type of heading, it will display like a fourth type of heading. Okay, and some design will be like height, width, like font size. Those thing will applied for display. Display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4. We say same like H1, H2, H3, H4 kind of thing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And also that should be displayed like a bold. Okay, so it's like a heading kind of thing, display 1, display 4. Yeah, heading kind of thing. So I applied display 4. Whenever you practicing, you can check each one. uh, Display 1, display 2, display 3. Try one sample text whenever you practicing. Okay, next one I applied. This is like a lead. This is like a lead. Mm. Here, uh, Bootstrap training, Bootstrap training makes it easy develop, easy makes it easy to easy to build, easy to build, modern and responsive. Bootstrap is nothing but responsive, responsive websites, responsive websites quickly, responsive websites quickly. Okay, next after that, href is equal to, so here I'm applying features. It's a block. What it is, you can see here also. After selecting this one, it will go to the features block. Okay, here also after selecting, it will go to the feature block. Some Okay, anchor tag is not only for navigating images and some hyperlink, some site. It is also displayed something. If you give ID, if you click on this anchor tag, it will go to that block. Single pages it is. Okay, now I applied some text for this tag. So it should be displayed like a button. BTN means it will display like a button. Okay, BTN primary means primary is already seen, display blue color. BTN primary display blue color button. Okay, it's so it's a type of button, and button color it is. Button color it is, and that BTN should be, SM is nothing but small, MD is nothing but medium, LG is nothing but large. Okay, so here that button is a display like a anchor tag is displayed like a button after applying this one, this logic. Okay, and you got it right. So this is a size, this is a color, background color, button color, blue color, primary color. Primary is always is a blue color. Okay, so that is a type of button. That is a type of button. Hmm. So get started. So here I will use something like get started. Get started. So save it and run it and see that. See how it will be. This is the heading. Welcome to. So it says one more thing. Get started, because features is not there. Even if you click on this feature, it will go to this one. So how it will looking now? Some more effective, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will give the list of all things whatever I used, and the purpose of each one I will give the points wise. Okay. Here I'm not given any theoretical notes, right? I will give you that one. So after wherever you have doubt, you can see. Even you can observe a few things. You can easily understand. Text dark means dark text. Yeah, black color dark text. Center it is displayed. Okay, section is also done. Section is also done. Hero section is done. Now our next section is like, mm, I hope today you will stay right until complete. I don't want continue on Monday. Monday I want to start jQuery. Okay.
Okay.
Feature section. Feature section. Feature section ID is like something like okay. Features. Okay. So finally, these features you can see we are giving a href hash ID, right? If you click on this, it will come to this section. Here also, if you click on this one, it will come to this section. Okay. We are giving section ID, feature section, feature section, and also applied class. Class is like padding. P is nothing but padding 5. Padding 5. Space between each like control or whatever it is, text or what. Space between each control. Padding 5. Okay, next one is something like div tag. So class, again container as usual. Section inside connection container. That is now. Now means menu kind of thing. Only menu purpose. This is only menu purpose. Inside all sections only. All are sections. Okay. So container again. Create a container. Inside I will create one more div. Class is equal to row text center. Yeah, it's a row kind of. It's a applied row. Text is a center. So automatically you can understand text is displayed in the center. Alignment is center. Next, G4. G4. Let's see. Next, inside I created one more div tag. One more div tag. Next, here I will use something like class. Class. So column. So column. MD is nothing but medium. Is right. And also four columns. It is dividing into four columns. The meaning is next. After that, div. One more div I am given. One more div. So for this div, I applied like so class is like yeah, it's a type of card. It displayed like time something like card. Card already you seen previously. So background is light color. Background is light color and border is 0. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Next one is something like shadow. Shadow is a SM small shadow. Okay. Next after that I created div. Okay. This class I applied card body. Card body. Card body. Next after that H5. H5. So here what I will do H5 class. If you remember our previous card example, if you practice that example, you can easily understand this one. Card title and FW is something like bold. It's displayed bold. Okay, bold. So here I'm saying fast, fast, dev- fast development, fast development. Yeah, one is like a fast development. Yeah, here inside I paragraph tag I use fast development. Inside we are giving the description kind of thing. So we'll give something like bootstrap. Bootstrap helps helps you to build Build websites. Bootstrap helps you to build website faster with ready to use ready to use components. Ready to use components. Here I applied one class for this. So class is it's something like card text. Card text means inside the card display the text, some kind of text. It is. So that is what we are done here. Only let's see. First of all, see this one output. Yeah, fast development feature. It is there. So okay, next we'll go to that next one. So left side, other thing will be displayed here because we created container, right? Inside container, the first one will be default it display left side. If you add one more thing, it will display next inside. Next one, it is displayed like this. So this is one container I created, right? So if you select this one, so it will come to here. If you select this one, so there is no both are in the same page, no? That's why you are not able to see this. Otherwise, minimize very and hide it and here display like features. Now it is coming. Now it can able to that. Now here go to select. It will come here features. Okay. So that is what we have selected the ID as features. If we select that one, it will come to this block. Next, after that, we will next one. So already we created one. Remaining thing I think it's similar. It is a similar kind of thing. Okay, it's everything will be similar. Just we need to change the text. So copy this and copy this one. Responsive design. Responsive design. Tablet and so not medicine tablet. So desktop automatically. Yeah. So your site looks like great mobile, tablet, and desktop. So especially mobile also, it will be very good. Smart screens. Comparing. That's why a special design. Yesterday also, beginning I told mobile and UI desktop screen very responsive. Especially mobile sites looks very good. Next one, responsive design. So anyway, who is not attended yesterday class, they automatically understand on these points. Say points are repeating as generally whatever we do. Next one is it is we can develop modern UI, advanced UI. If you check with CSS and this one, you can see a lot of difference. If you observe, it is a very efficient looks. Okay, so it's like a rebuilt, rebuild styles, rebuild styles and rebuild styles and comments. Sorry, components. Components your gives your gives your site a. Modern look instantly. Looks instantly. That's it. Let's see the output again. So we are completed this one successfully. Now see here. Yeah, looks very good. So here I'm not giving any navigation. Otherwise, it is also useful for you. Hmm. Seems good, na? Are you observing or
Yes,
sleeping?
sir. Mm.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Hmm. Just to. Okay. Next one. Next section. So in the menu, what is there? We done. Features are done. Next one. Yeah, pricing section. Next contact section. With this one, with the contact section, at last we are added one footer. With that, this example will be completed. So already we done one right. Here section is this one. Yeah. Next one.
Sir, can I add for the images carousel?
Sorry. Image.
Closer carousel image will be a rounding. Next image will be a
We
grid.
can do it. Images adding, na?
Images added and grid will be used.
Grill means sorry grid.
Grid.
Anything we can do it. So here image is purpose like exactly what like exactly not getting actually. You want to add images inside. It's possible. Uh, Cards are pricing pricing section. So this section is we called as ID is equal to pricing. We called as pricing. Okay, already we have hashtag pricing is there na. So if you click on this one, it will go to that block. So we need to check only we need to check the spelling is matching or not. Spelling which matching doesn't navigate. Okay. So this class should be something like so background color is light color and padding is up to 5. Padding is 5. Next. After that div tag as usual it's a container. Whatever you added automatically will comes in the order. Three elements you are added, right? See the sub div tags. Those are all comes under in the same container. Okay, here class container. Oh, text center. Text. Yeah. Yeah. Text is displayed center. You can understand that. So MB is equal to 4. Sorry. MB is equal to 4. Pricing plans. So display text like pricing plans. Pricing plans. So here something like div class row class row is equal to g-4 g-4. Yeah, column like medium, mm, categorized into four. So actually, Bootstrap is following 12 column system. So if you observe here, even if you observe here, 12 column system. Our previous section, yeah, here previous section is there, no? So here column, four columns. So it is occupied four column space. Okay, this one is occupied another four columns. This one is occupied another like another four columns. Same thing you want to display two things. Okay, for example, here I will give the as a six. This one is I will give you as a six. What happening? This one will be display occupied six columns. This one will be occupied six columns. Okay. Next, let's see. So comment it, save it and run it. See, so Bootstrap is following 12 columns. Okay. Overall screen is dividing into 12 columns. Got it? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Based upon this, if you give this one is four, if you give this one is something like eight, so it will become a small, it will become a size. So every container is having something like this 12 column system. Okay. So for now, we are so four column. This one is four. This one is like something like four. Okay, come to this section. Same like that. Here also we are following the 12 column system under container. So here I create the div. I class is like card text center. Here border is equal to primary. Primary class is something like card header, view card header, something like bg primary. Text is equal to white. Text is equal to white. Yeah, here. Div. Next div. After that, here we are using class. Yeah, card body. Again, we are using cards inside. Card header. Same thing. Card header body. Again, if you are using card footer also, you can fine. That is also fine. Header and body, we are tried. Inside body, Card title. Yeah, card title. So the card title is displayed like $9. 1 second. Or else I can use like rupees, no? Dollars or rupees. It's your. Yeah. Here I'm displaying something like 63 rupees. 63 rupees per month. Next again, paragraph tag. Again, here we are using anchor tag. Anchor tag class perfect for beginners. Perfect for beginners. Starting out. BTN is equal to BTN iPhone primary. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it is looking. Like this. Cards. These are displaying like a cards. Like these other plans also will display other plans. Okay, let's see. 4 columns. This one is copy and pasted here below. Let's do and change it as usual. We required changes. Yeah. So this is basic plan. Wait, okay, that is above one is basic. So here this is a standard. This is a standard plan. We give something like increase the amount. Increase the amount for this. Yeah, 63. So 19. 163 rupees per month. Best for small, best for small teams. Okay, type anything. Business, business and teams. Okay, next choose a plan is common text. Next one after that, premium. Premium. So 29. So 263 rupees per month. So premium is suitable for full features for professional. Full features for professional. Okay. Let's run that. See the output, how it is gone, how it is displayed. Pricing section. If you select the pricing, it will come here. If it is minimizing, is very much good. So if you are select the pricing, so it will come to pricing bar. Okay. So pricing also we are done. Hmm. Choose plan is we are not done anything for choose plan navigation. We keep it as empty. If we keep that one also, if we keep that one, it will become a again big project. So at last we are come to that contact and move. Footer is not big deal. So last we move to contact. So with this, I think we can close that our Bootstrap class. Only the document I need to share for reference purpose. So contact. MB4 is MB is equal to 4. Yeah, this is already we are right. Yeah, justify the content the center. Justify the content is displayed in the center. Yeah, here this div tag class is like call MD 6 columns. Contact information having only 2 sections. 6 column. Okay. So in this one, so here I will create a one form inside. Next inside in this form, I create div tag class MB3 class MB3 In this div tag, we created the label, one label, and also we give something like input, input text. Input type text. Yeah, this is the last one section. Wait sometime. I think we can finish in next 10 minutes. Placeholder, enter your name. So contact us, right? Enter your name. Enter your name. Next one, so same way. So Control C, Control V. So this is second one is for email. Email, so input type, form control, enter your email. Placeholder. Next. After that, so this is I changed into message. So it's a form label. Class is predefined thing. Form control is also predefined thing. If it's a control like this, if it's a display text, label text, form label. Next here, instead of this one, small change here we displayed something text area. So text area is something like class is, yeah, as usual form control. It's a control, right? Uh, like how many rows? That is also four row space, and also it is having placeholder. Enter your message. Enter your message. Enter your message. That's it. Done. Yeah, div is also done. Next, at last, we have a button. Button type. So type is equal to, yeah, submit. We declared form, right? Inside form we give the type is equal to submit. Outside form normal, we give type is equal to button. So here I give the type is submit, and also class. Class, it is a btn. It's a button, right? And btn primary blue color it is displayed. And also here I applied w. It's something like I think it's something like width, and text is displayed like something like send. So width it is, w is nothing but width. Yeah, we completed this section successfully. Run this and see how it will be. Mm. We give six column, huh? So left side is three, right side three is, yeah, miss. See, this is width is 100 I given. Anyway, okay. This dynamic choose plan, I'm not giving dynamic actions. This one also I'm not giving any dynamic actions. Here also I'm not give. Just is we covered all two together. We done one small project here. It's equal to project landing UI project. So contact us is, yeah, contact us is successfully done. At last, now we are At last, mm, done, done, done. Action is also done. Yeah, outside coming to this one. At last, we are using footer. Footer class BG BG dark. Yeah, background dark. Text text should be white color text. Okay, then after that, text should be center. After that, padding is equal to 3. Padding is equal to 3. Next, if P, yeah, at the bottom I displayed paragraph. So here something like class is a MB0, MB0, MB0. So we displayed something like every side bottom is displayed like copyright message. So copy 2025 my brand. So instead of my brand here I will display we share. So technologies. We say technologies. All rights reserved. All rights reserved. Okay, even at the top also I will give you my brand instead of my brand. User technologies. Right. We hope everything is done successfully. Here we can display the logo. Mm. Bottom. See copyright. Technology spelling rock. Anyway, no issue. The concept you understand it. Clear? If you practice this one, you can see output one by one. Technologies. Complete Bootstrap landing page. Small project. Small project it is. Done. Okay. Any doubts up to here? Everything will be done. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's see.